Hey up, this is Campo here again. How are we doing? We are looking at the Bosch Tassimo system. It's a coffee maker and hot chocolate. Does one or two other things as well. I'm doing a little run through and a little bit of cleaning for you. Let me go right away. I will show you the drip tray. When you're using a large glass like that, it hinges from there. When you want an espresso, you can put it up in a little espresso cup. On, oh, leave it off. Inside here, little plastic nodule where you put your coffee bits in, and then if you push that up there, that comes out for you to wash. There is a little barcode reader here what reads the barcode to let the machine knows what it is, what kind of coffee, chocolate or whatever, so it doesn't fill up the right amount. Put all that back in. See, there's a hook here, it just slots in. Turn it round. This is where you put the water in. This coding is just more or less to their web page with their products, what they're selling. Little slot. This is for cleaning or just having hot water. You can put it in, lock it down, press the button and just hot water comes out. Ideal for cleaning or just making cups of tea. It's a little handy slot that is to keep it safe. That little button is, it lights up red when you haven't got enough water in your drip tray. Let me turn it on. We're going to make some caramel. Costa. For the milk, you have to get it a shake up first. It is a beautiful little small sizing. Upside down, so the foil bit is pointing down. Clamps down. As that is one single line, you are okay. If it's flashing, not to. We will push the button, and if you have this drip tray on, these glasses are too big. We'll do the milk first. You can smell the caramel already within the milk. It is doing a steam process now, so it is actually cleaning it at the moment. You wait till this light stops flashing. Right now, push that back up. Just be careful, if you've got sensitive fingers, this can get quite warm. Put the coffee in, Costa. You can see you only can just put it in one way with a little tab pointing. And then it's ready to press again. It is pressurising the system, so you get a nice coffee. It gives off a nice aroma as well now of the coffee. Same thing, steaming off, getting all the bits. If you can see, it's a nice handy little size. Beautiful. Give it a stir. Cheers. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Any questions, just put in the comments below and I will try to answer them for you. I'll just do you a little spin round just to show you how big it is. Very easy to use. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.